trip to Barcelona was horrible. I got grounded.
Little Bill, time for school.
Okay, Dad. I promise I will be good. Maybe I'll pull the fire alarm again. Ha 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 ha.
Hello class. Today we are doing an assessment on math. Yes, little Bill.
Can I use the toilets, please?
Quickly.
Now it's time to do it.
To the courts, now. The fire alarm is over. You can now return to your classroom. Sorry about that, class. The fire alarm went off again. Little Bill, please come to my office right now. You heard that, Little Bill? Go. Little Bill, do you know why I sent you here?
It's because I pulled the fire alarm again.
That's it. I'm calling your parents. Oh my gosh, Little Bill, how dare you pull the fire alarm again? That's it. You are grounded until you get a therapist. Now go to your room right now.